Thinking of starting a dropshipping business, wondering what tech you need? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the 6 tech essentials that will set you up for success in your dropshipping journey. First off, we'll talk about the backbone of your operation, a reliable computer setup. Then we'll touch on the importance of selecting a user-friendly e-commerce platform. From there, we'll discuss how inventory management software can help streamline your operations. Next, we'll explore how a robust customer relationship management or CRM system can help you build strong relationships with your customers. We'll also dive into the significance of having reliable shipping and order tracking software. Finally, we'll look at the role of analytics and reporting tools in making informed business decisions. Ready to delve into the world of dropshipping? Let's dive into the tech essentials you'll need. First off, a reliable computer setup is a must-have. It's the backbone of your dropshipping business, handling tasks like managing your online store, communicating with suppliers, and processing orders. A fast processor, ample storage, and a reliable internet connection are key. You're not looking for a high-end gaming rig. A decent recent computer that keeps up with updates and loads swiftly will do the trick. Consider a portable monitor for extra productivity and a good USB hub for peripherals. With a reliable computer setup, you're already on the right track. Next up, you'll need a user-friendly e-commerce platform. E-commerce platforms are the digital storefronts of your dropshipping business. They're your online shop windows where customers browse, compare, and purchase your products. Favorites in the dropshipping world include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Each of these platforms comes packed with features like customizable templates, inventory management, and secure payment gateways. They're designed to make setting up and managing your online store as simple as possible. Choosing the right platform can make or break your dropshipping business. Keeping track of your inventory is crucial, and that's where inventory management software comes in. This savvy tech tool is your virtual stockroom supervisor, diligently keeping tabs on your product levels and ensuring that your store never runs out of stock. Popular options like TradeGecko and Zoho Inventory provide real-time visibility into your inventory, automate the stock management process, and help prevent the dreaded overselling scenario. With the right inventory management software, you'll never have to worry about overselling. Building strong relationships with your customers is customer key. That's why you need a reliable CRM system. A customer relationship management system, or CRM, is your secret weapon for managing customer information, tracking interactions, and providing personalized support. Popular options like HubSpot or Zoho CRM offer a comprehensive suite of features that help you stay connected with your customer base and understand their needs better. A good CRM system can help you deliver exceptional customer service and build customer loyalty. Since you won't be handling the shipping process directly, you'll need reliable shipping and order tracking software. This is your secret weapon to ensure your products reach their destination seamlessly. Tools like ShipStation or Shippo are a lifesaver. They help you navigate the shipping process, generate labels, and most importantly, provide tracking information. This means your customers are always in the loop about their orders. With the right shipping and order tracking software, you can streamline your shipping process and keep your customers informed. Last but certainly not least, you'll need access to data and analytics. These tools are the compass guiding your dropshipping journey, providing insight into website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Google Analytics is a popular choice, delivering a wealth of data at your fingertips. For your email marketing efforts, consider Klaviyo or MailChimp. They not only help you design and send effective emails, but also measure the success of your campaigns. With the right analytics and reporting tools, you can make informed business decisions and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. There you have it, the tech essentials for starting a dropshipping business, from a reliable computer setup that keeps you connected and efficient to a user-friendly e-commerce platform that serves as your online storefront. Keep in mind the importance of inventory management software to maintain your stock levels and avoid overselling. A robust customer relationship management system is invaluable in nurturing relationships and building customer loyalty. Shipping and order tracking software makes the logistics seamless, while analytics and reporting tools provide the insights you need to make informed decisions. But remember, this tech stack is just part of the equation. The dropshipping landscape is dynamic and evolving. Stay hungry for knowledge, keep abreast of industry trends, and never underestimate the power of excellent customer service. With the right tech tools and a solid business strategy, you're well on your way to building a successful dropshipping business.